श्रीमात्रे नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं स्फ्रें मतक्षमयूं मतं साक्षमवीं सहोः स्वरूपनिरूपणहेतुमे सुगुरवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बासहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरुद्वैपादुकां पूज्यामि तर्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं स्फ्रें मतक्षमयूं मतं साक्षमवीं सौः स्वरूपनिरूपणे हेतवे सुगुरवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बासहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरुद्वैपादुकां पूज्यामि तर्पयामि नमः। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तोपास्महे। गणानां त्वा गणपतिं गवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमस्त्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आडशृण्वन् ऊतिभिस्सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमन्महागणाधिपते नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वधमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वधमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वधमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वधमानय स्वाहा। गणपति अथर्वशीर्षम्. So far we learned only one beginning sloka. Om Bhadram Karnebhih Shrunuyama Devaah Bhadram Pasyemakshapiryajatraah Sthirairangai Stuštuvagum Sastanobhih व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धस्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्ठनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पति दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. That was the beginning prayer. Let us continue. ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यम्। ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यम् त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यम्. So basically, Ganapati Atharvashirsham is a hymn which makes you understand the essence of Ganapati Tattvam. And through the essence of Ganapati Tattvam, it extends your experience to the essence of Brahma Tattvam. For that instance, even if you recite Devi Kavacham, Devi Hrudayam, Bala Suti, Bala Kavacham, Shyamala Hrudayam, any god, through the essence of their Tattvam, finally Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. So you reach the essence of Brahman. So these are all very deeper aspects of the Brahma Tattvam, the spiritual philosophy. We need to go very deep into the inner meaning, then only it makes sense for some of these statements. So let us look at it. Om Namaste Ganapataye. I prostrate to the Pati, the one who supports, takes care, guides, controls of all the controller of all the ganas. Ganas means species. Rakshasagana, Devagana, Manushya గణములకు గుణమును ఆపాదించి రక్షించేవాడు కూడా గణపతి. The one who gives the guna to the gana, because buddhi rupena ganapati. The one who gives the guna to a gana. So when we pray to Ganapati, we get Sat Buddhi, Sat Chintana. From that, Sat Pravartana, Sat Karma. From that, Sat Phalita, Karma Phalam, good result. From that, Sat Chit Ananda. So again, the end point is Sachidananda Srupam. And that will be obtained Sivoham, when I am a pure witness. In the beginning, I am putting myself into every activity, taking the unnecessary responsibility. So the pain and pleasure side. So Ganapataye, Krimigana, Kitagana, everything has got life. Not only that, Chirachara Vastu Prapancha, Jadasikti Jadatmika. The static force in the static objects and the dynamic force in the dynamic objects and creatures. Everything combined together. That force, nucleus force, which controls the entire movement or positioning of each entity, Ganapati. So there is a prime source. From there only I can travel further into the spiritual path. So Namaste Ganapataye. First of all, whom you have to, when you do a puja, 25% of that benefit will go to the king, whether you like it or not. King of the place where you live, if it is a small kingdom, or India, if it is India, in Prime Minister. And that 25% will be utilized again for the common good. So this is a rule. Pati is the king. So I need to prostrate to that Jagannatha, Jagatpati, Ganapati, who is the primary source of all these things. Namaste Ganapati. Tvameva pratyaksham tattvamasi. Tattvamasi is one of the Chatur Mahavakyas. What are the Chatur Mahavakyas? 4 Vakyas are there. Everybody know. Tattvamasi. You are that. They are not saying you are the God. There is no word in the God in that Chatur Mahavakya. You are that. And I am Atma Brahma. The same that is in this. And that is called Atma. And also called Brahma. Prajnanam Brahma. This higher knowledge that this and that are one equal is the Brahma. That is called knowledge of Brahman, Brahmajnana. Aham Brahma Asmi. Once you understand that, then you will call yourself as a Brahma Swarupam, Brahma Shri. Many people use before their names. Whether it's given by somebody or they call themselves, but they are equal to Brahma. Then they are called Brahmasri. So, Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi. Very deep subject this one. What I see is are the figures. I see human beings, I see animals, birds, trees. Let us take only 4 sections of the entire creation. The underlying supreme consciousness in each of the entity, that is the tattvam. Another meaning, tattvam. So that supreme consciousness, by being in one species or in the species, by being in one entity, it gives attributes, vastu guna visesham. Fire, if you say, that's why in praising God, you are the heat in the fire, you are the cool nature in the eyes, you are the one who is giving tejas to the Surya. So, vastu guna visesham. So, in the Manushya Gana, the supreme consciousness will be thriving in this Manushya Gana species, giving them a vichakshana jnanam, higher vichakshana, visesha, higher consciousness, little bit. When you compare with the animals and other creatures. But within this human race, why I am spending more time on this, you need to understand what tvameva pratyaksham tattvamasi, you are that, you can say. What I am seeing is a human who is different from me in gender, caste, form, character, position, status, language, nation. How many things are separating me from that what I see? But all this is because I'm missing one point. The supreme consciousness is reflecting some character. Beyond character is reflecting a character in this form, and the same supreme consciousness is reflecting another character in this form. The forms are different, the external appearances are different. I think that I am seeing the right thing before me, but there is always a wheel. Mahamaya Yavanika. Avanika means screen. Mahamaya Yavanikaya Namaha. We are praying, Terati Yagarada, remove the screen. What is the screen? The illusion of gender, illusion of the form, illusion of the guna, illusion of the social status, so many illusions. And with these illusions only the whole world is moving. Jagan Midhya. That is why even Shankaracharya also, once he was caught in this illusion, and when the lower grade person, we call them Chandala, unfortunately in the social status, when he came, the action which he does is comparatively lower grade. But nowadays, when Corona comes, who is more pious who is doing more pious work? The cleaners, the sweepers, not caring for their lives, they are sweeping. The most pious work. It may look very low for us, but Daridra Narayana, there also the Narayana is there. So this Shankaracharya, Dasi says, you know the story, then the Shiva comes and then, who are you, asking you to move away? The Chandala before you are the Shiva in me. Then he prostrates. This is the Tattvamasi. The form may be different. The guna may be different. The work, lifestyle may be different. But I am only looking at Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi. You are the one who is causing the guna to this. The light. What is the guna? Brightness. Like in the same electricity, if it is a fan, it is giving me, some movement of air. If it is here, it is giving me light. The tattvam I need to see, but not the form. Like they say, the pot is made up of clay, the plate is made up of clay. Everything is made up of clay only, but the forms are different. What is the tattvam is? Clay. So, it is quite natural for the same supreme consciousness to behave in that manner when it is in that form, in as much as it is quite normal to behave in this form. And that I need to understand as long as I want to be a Brahman. I'm not going to the caste again. Brahma Tattva. If I am a king, my role is different. I need to point out, hey, that's a mistake. You need to correct yourself. But am I a king? No. I should be a Brahman. So, Tvameva Kevalam, Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi. Even the static objects, there is one force which is keeping that static object static. And that is Tattvam. Tattvam of that is Jadam. And Tattvam of his is Chaitanyam. And both are. So I need to pray. Like imagine a post office and the postmaster is giving duties to the postman. In olden days, the telegrams were there. And one postman gets a Sarita delivered a baby girl. And this fellow will be eager to take it because they will be happy to receive that. Another postman, father expired, start soon. And he says, sir, give me that birth message, not this. They'll cry. Same thing, the same supreme consciousness in this entity, we need to pray, make me do dharma karyas. Let me have good thoughts, good speech, and good actions. Trikarana Suddhi. That because you are the one who is making me, or who is doing, not me also wrong, who is doing all these things in this entity. That tattvam, okay, tattvam తెలుసుకోవాలంటారు. Everybody has got. So now, when I understand this, I have a God. I'm sorry to say this. I have a God who is a killer. I have a God who is a priest. I have a God who is a cheater. I have a God who is a very lovable person. And I am a God. This is the truth. I mean, I'm not saying I, everybody. But even though all the entities are acting under the influence of the tattvam in that body, I need to move towards that tattvam which will make me realize that what I need and which will make me remember my target. Not that tattvam which will move me away from my target. That is why, even though everything is the same, Atma, I will, that's why in Jivatma, there is one level. Everybody is called Jivatma. The same Atma which is giving the Jiva life to us. From Jivatma to Paramatma. This Paramatma in the body is called Jivatma. In between, can I become directly Paramatma? No. Mahatma. The great soul. I was asking Amar in this evening, soul. Can you show me where it is in the body? The soul left the body. The soul rest in peace. What is that soul? Is it Pranashakti? No, that's not soul. Awareness, maybe, but may not be also. What is this soul? If we keep on inquiring, then song in Telugu, when somebody dies, Balamurali Krishna sang that song, Tattvam. Again, that song is also called Tattvapada, Tattvam. And it says, Gudu chinaboyerna gutiloni ramachilaka egiripoyerna. That means the cage looks empty. The parrot in the cage has left. Somebody dies, that's the song they sing. Why call even parrot? Why not a squirrel? Why not a sparrow? Parrot is the bird which repeats what the owner says. There is an owner which made the parrot to speak. From the parrot, I need to become a swan. What is the swan? What are the normal swan which we see? Manasa Sarovara. And what is that higher awareness of that swan? Kshiranira. I used to say this in my debate competition when I was studying in Vivekananda College, Madras. I used to select for the good word to attract the judge's attention. So after my speech is over, I used to say, క్షీరనీరాలను వేరు చేసే రాజహంసల్లా ఉండమని వేడుకుంటున్నాను. That means in milk, even if it is directly taken from the cow, there will be in the kshiram, neeram will be there, the water will be there. But like in the world, all the atmas are, all the jivatma, paramatma is staying in all the jivas as jivatmas. I know that. But in that, I need to take what I need. This is where the Hamsa comes. Hamsa is that bird, that tattva, which selects from the mixture of so many things what is necessary for me to progress spiritually or reach. Again, this selection, is it made by you? No. Hamsa, the word again, if you just go into the deep, the breath, the one who can merge Svapadabatvam Maisannidhatsva, the one who can tam avaha upaitumam. Don't forget all the Sri Sukta words. The one who can bring that great supreme consciousness in their breath, so close, so frequent. Then Hamsa, Ha, Purnaswaram, Sa. That unites the world with you. And then you can have that quality. And from the Hamsa, you can become Paramahamsa. Again, Ramakrishna, Paramahamsa. And then Paramatma. So there's a lot of travel we need to make. First step I need to make is, let's all remind ourselves, we see so many characters. Somebody will be hurting us. Dharma vivajjita. Lalita Parameshwari told, I am beyond dharmam and adharmam. For you it may look adharmam, but there also, I always tell in the Ganapati, same Ganapati, Yantra Puja, Dharmayanama, Jnanayanama, Vairagyanama, Aishwaryanama. And the second set, Adharmayanama, Ajnananama, Anaishwaryanama, Avairagyanama. All the other quite opposite things also, Ganapati only. And that itself shows that everything is all pervading Brahma. It's not just saying, very difficult. Today morning itself, I was discussing with my Amar. Very difficult, Amar. Very difficult to experience all pervading Brahman. Keep quiet when things are going totally wrong. Destroying certain of your principles. Still you need to maintain your calmness. Not joke. For that only, the japa, tapa, tarpana, homa, puja, all these upangas will give you strength. We say that, okay, you do Ganapati Tarpana, you'll get 41 days, you get a job. Otherwise, Shanil won't do. But ultimately, what is happening is, these are the upangas which gives you strength to reach that stage where you are really atharva, where you are not shaken by the external influences. That is Tvameva Pratyaksham Tat Tvamasi. So from now onwards, let me not judge the book by the cover. Let's go deep inside. And then we see only, that's why Garbhagudi. When you go to the temple is a wonderful representation of this line. What do you see in the Gopuras? Some pictures which are not normally we see. Oh my God, this kind of pictures on a temple, that's all, you're gone. That is the external. But you go deeper, Sanctum Sanatorium, Garbhagudi, there you see the God. Nobody is allowed. Only the Pradhana Archaka is allowed inside. Similarly, nobody can go inside unless you are close to the God, close to the Supreme Consciousness, trying to communicate and maintain the connectivity as frequently as possible, or unbreakable connectivity, then you will be in the Garbhagudi. The Tattvam you can understand. Impractical, quite impractical. That is why Antarmukha Samaradhya Bahirmukha Sudurlabha. She told, very difficult, my son. But only one way. Just surrender Tvameva Sharanam Gataha. Just surrender to me. Then I'll take care. I'll give you the thought, how to come out of this riddle. Paramapada Sopana Patamma Padma Vyuham. You heard only part of it, Abhimanyu. You know how to go inside. You don't know how to come outside. I will take care. That's what she said. So, Tvameva pratyaksham tattvamasi. Tvameva kevalam kartasi. Tvameva kevalam dhartasi. Tvameva kevalam hartasi. The equivalent line in Lalita Sahasranamam is Amatir Medha Sriti Smritir Anuttama. Amatir. So, I need to observe myself continuously. That is called Vimarsha. Vimarsha Chetane Jyoti Prakasham Vastundi. Anugraham. Observing the Prakasham or Vimarsha, then you know that it's a light. So I need to analyze myself constantly and accept the world steadily. Don't analyze the world. When I analyze myself constantly, I see three things. The thoughts are different. One day I'm getting very good thoughts. Somebody wrote in a WhatsApp message. One day I'm doing lots of pujas for a section of time, 15 days. You all also experience. For 10, 15 days, you are highly spiritual. Something, somewhere, I don't know what happened. This goes down and, Guruji, I'm not doing any japam. You are not responsible. That's the main thing. What is giving you thought? Tvameva kevalam kartasi. Suppose, in Satyanarayana Puja, there is a Panchaloka Palaka Puja. Most of you know that, right? Who are the Panchaloka Palaka? Ganapati, Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, and Gauri. These are Panchaloka Palaka. Ganapati, he gives the Sankalpam. Suppose I am feeling hungry. I need to know that I am feeling hungry, right? Vivekam Vichakshana. So something tells me, creates some enzyme, I don't know what they call that, senses in me, hey, you need to eat something. You're hungry. And that is a silent language. There is no alarm, like in a mobile cell phone. Of course, there are sounds. If you are very hungry, then there will be some sounds coming from the tummy also. Maybe Ambal has set up alarm like that. That's a different thing. So, The Ganapati creates a sankalpam, and that happens at the Mooladharam. The Brahma maintains that sankalpam. He gives jiva, life to that sankalpam. Sometimes you are hungry, but you don't do, okay, I'm not hungry. I thought I'll eat later. Nobody knows why. Because the sankalpam is dead in the primitive state. Brahma gives the life. Okay, now I need to eat something. Vishnu, Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi is that portion. Tvameva Kevalam Dhartasi. Vishnu gives the power of sustenance, knowledge how to maintain. Either how to get the grains, how to cook it, what is a palatable food, how to make a food or how to get a food, how to knock the door of Shivakumar and say, hello, namaskaram, Shivakumar, at exactly the lunchtime. He cannot escape. He has to give me food. So all these tricks, techniques, capacity, everything is given by Vishnu. And that Vishnu is also Ganapati. That's the beauty of Hindu's philosophy. Whichever God you take, when you are worshipping, you are the everything. How can everybody can be everything? Because in everything, only one Parabrahma is dwelling. So he creates. Now you ate. Tvameva kevalam hartasi. You need to understand every signal is coming from somewhere in the inner layers of our mind. Amatir, don't lose that word. Beyond the mind, before the mind. Hunger is before the mind. The technique of getting the food is before the mind. Now, suppose imagine, you don't know when to stop eating. Nothing tells you you are full. బతుకు బస్ స్టాండే ఇంక అంతకన్నా ఘోరం లేదు తింటూనే ఆల్వేస్ యూ విల్ బి ఈటింగ్ అండ్ విల్ డై ఆల్సో సమ్ టైమ్స్ అండ్ దట్ ట్రిగరింగ్ మెకానిజం విచ్ సేస్ విచ్ కిల్స్ దట్ హంగర్ త్వమేవ కేవలం హర్తాసి. ఐఎమ్ రియల్లీ టెల్లింగ్ ఏ one small action which everybody has got. You are the one who creates the guna, maintains the guna, and kills that guna. In a whole day, I'm not same. Can you observe that? I'm behaving in one way with one person, in one area, in one mood, when things are going good. So many factors. I think so many external factors are affecting my behavior. But this shows you are the, I should say, culprit. Jagannataka Sutradhari, Annamaya says, you are the one who is giving me a role of a hero sometime, a role of a villain sometime, a role of a character actor sometimes. You are the director for this drama. By the time I realize, the drama is over. That's the unfortunate thing. By the time I realize this whole truth, it's over. So, Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi, you are the one who is great. Then who am I? I am తోలు బొమ్మలు ఆటలు అంటారు చూడు, ఆడ ఇలా ఇలా అంటే ఇలా ఇలా అంటుంది. పప్పెట్ షో. అండ్ దాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫీల్. అండ్ గ్రేట్ పీపుల్ లైక్ అన్నమయ్య, త్యాగరాజ, దే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ దట్. That's why even when Tyagaraja's brother threw their Rama's icons in the river, he didn't scold them, he didn't shout at them, but he went on pilgrimage because he knows that one who has acted through his brother is also Rama. Only a problem created by Rama can be solved by Rama only, and the one who is experiencing that problem and the problem, the effects of the problem is also Rama. That's because when he sings, ఏంటండి రాముల వారు, Rama is my father, Sita is my mother, Lakshmana is my brother. he identifies himself with the Rama's family. That identification with the Supreme Consciousness, if you have, then this all the three you can experience. Tvameva sarvam khalvidam brahmasi. Khalu, indeed. Khalu idam brahmasi. So, after seeing so many characters, I have only focused on Manushyagana. Swaminarayan, there is a movie I seen in Boston. There's a 3D movie. In that, Swaminarayan doing japam, the lion comes, lion stays there, the deer stays, everything in harmony. How can I develop harmony? When I see no difference, difference in the form will be there, 100% will be there. If a tiger becomes a grass eater, that's when the tiger is dead. The tiger nature in that form is killed by Ganapati. Tvameva kevalam hartasi. So I need to pray to Ganapati, always create. Tvameva kevalam kartasi. Create good character in me, good thoughts in me, good speech in me. And so, dhartasi, maintain that in me and mercilessly kill any character that will not make sense to my form and the name and the status I have in the society. I should not have a name Shantamurthy and shout on everybody. I am not making sense to my name. So all these things are hidden in these three lines. And finally say, Tvameva sarvam khalvidam brahmasi. Then you are extending that. Even the mosquito, even the lizard, everything is Brahma Swarupam only. I still remember when I was doing an Avavarana long time back in Davideswaram. That's the beginning of my learning of Sri Chakrarchana. We have a Vishesharga Patra Stapana, and that's called Amrutam. My Guru told it's Amrutam only. Amrita Kalavahana, Panchamrita Kalala, 99 kalas we invoke. And it so happened that an ant fell in that. By the time I had seen it, it is not moving. That's how carefully I put it. So naturally I thought dead. And this is created, why I tell this story, real incident, is to make you understand the karta, dharta, harta. So that finally you'll know the result. So to develop the confidence on that Navavarna Puja power and the mantras power which have been given to me by my Guru Amritananda Saraswati, all this have happened. Later on I realized. So the ant was not moving. I just stopped. I put that, lifted that ant with a agarbatti. Carefully seeing that it is not coming and forming a ball by him itself. Sometimes, a small ant becomes like a long ball, you cannot save it. So put it on the ground. What mantras? Only mantras. So Pranapadishtapana mantra. Om Amrim Krom Yam Ram Lam Vam Sham Sham Sam Ham Lam Sham Amdasoham. All the mantra. Bahiragatyam Uchvasa Rupena Sukham Chirantush Tishtantu Swaha. I put haldi on that. Already it is not moving. I put haldi. That means turmeric powder. No, it's not moving. Then I took akshatas. Nothing goes into my mind that all these actions are putting that, if at all it is not dead, it is moving that creature into death further. I took akshatas. असुनीते परस्माच्चक्षुः पुनः प्राणमिहिनोदे भोगं जोक्पस्येम सूर्यमुतिरन्द अनुमते मृडयानस्वस्ति अमृतं वै प्राणाः अमृतमाह मापः प्राणानेव यथास्थानम् उपह्वेते प्राणप्रतिष्ठापनमुहूर्तः सुमुहूर्तो अस्तु. It has to move because I told pranapratishtha. No. I'm losing confidence on the mantras. Then finally I took the Visheshargyam and talked to my guru mentally. You told me this is Amrutam. It is your responsibility to make this ant move. Otherwise, I'm going to stop the puja from now. This is the end of it. And I took one drop and put it on that. You won't believe. The ant started to move. Was it dead? Big question mark. Nobody can answer that. It might not have been dead. Maybe unconscious, maybe acting. Maybe the same Ganapati, same Brahma is acting through the ant to increase the confidence on the mantras in me. My personal experience. So that is why Tvameva Sarvam Kalvidam Brahmasi means all combined together. Dynamic, static, different characters. Everything is happening because of you only, the all-pervading consciousness. Like if you take one pot, they give this example in the Vedanta, and make some holes. One hole is a circular hole, one hole is a rectangular hole, small holes, very small. And you see that the same lamp inside the pot, if you put, it looks circular, it looks square, it looks diamond, rectangle. But what is inside is common. Tvameva sarvam khalvidam brahmasi. All these different forms I am seeing, khalu idam. That's why you can explain this in a different way. You draw a square on a piece of paper and put some dots. I'm trying to bring that all-pervading consciousness, represented by the big square. And small dots. It's further divided itself by will. Seer, seen, and the one from whom the seer and seen, Prakriti and the seer, have been created. The same Bindu has split into two. That's why after the Bindu, the triangle comes in the Sri Yantra. So, I just draw a square and put dots. Okay, that's how you explain to the children. And then make a circle around a dot, square around this thing, and diamond, different shapes. And because this circle is looking at a square and thinking that I am different from the square. And the square is different from rectangle, pentagon, all is happening. Now, this is the mithya, illusion. Now, take an eraser and rub off all the surrounding shapes. Dot. That is the sarvam khalvidam brahmasi. When the Parakaya Pravesam is in those days, Parakaya Pravesam means in the movies they show the body becomes dead and then the Atma goes, and then that is not only Parakaya Pravesam. Beyond the Kayam means the body. If you go beyond the Kayam, body, that layer, and go inside, looking at Atman is called Parakaya Pravesam. Then you know everything is equal. That is Sarvam Kalvidam Brahmasi. Tvam Sakshad Atmasi Nityam. This is the beauty of it. See, all pervading. How can I experience all pervading? I can't see even back. My vision is limited, my hearing is limited. How can I see? That is why Tvam Sakshat, what I see before me, Sakshat, before my eyes. Not only my eyes, for every eyes, whatever they see, Tvam Sakshadatmasi Nityam. Whatever the Atman Padartham I am seeing before me, irrespective of the shape and size and nature and creature, whatever it may be, Nityam, always dwelling in that entity. Whatever I see, you are that. So I don't need to go to a particular place to experience that all-pervading Brahman. You're so compassionate on me to give me the knowledge that what I see is you. That's the first level of understanding the Brahma Tattvam. Later on, you become enlightened and say, I am the Brahman. When you are the Brahman and you can experience that, then you can wake up a dead man also, like some of the rishis and great saints have done. You go beyond. There is a fire yogi of Kumbakonam, Ramba, is still there. And he does, if you go to YouTube and type fire yogi, you can see his videos. They have been tested by all the foreign. The pity of it is when a Vedic Pandit does something to enlighten to the people about the greatness of our Vedic mantras, we need a Harvard University or an Oxford University person to come and stamp and then, that has been certified by our. That is the slavery system which we have been allowing us to happen. Only then, but what you see, 20 plus years he has done upasana and made his cells to be friendly with the fire kanas, the cells of the fire. So his body doesn't get fire. His beard also doesn't get fire. His clothes, just here and there, some burning will be there, just piece. And on the body. So after that, they take the clothes and put in the fire. It immediately gets fire. Who can explain this? And every Purnami, he does the Ganapati Havan. In Kumbakonam, Bangalore, he comes. Of course, I didn't have the fortune to see him, to have this darshan. So this is the Tam Sakshad Atmasi Nityam. Fire is also you, I am also fire. Then that unity happens, there won't be any action. All the action cease when the thoughts of difference are removed. We are acting because I think that you are not knowing about Ganapati Atharvasesham. Suppose I put myself in you, then there is no satsangam. Like the Buddha, Gautama Buddha, that person comes, he sits silently. Hours together. Can you sit silently? 6 o'clock we announce satsangam. 6:15, half of the people log out. He didn't come. Even if I come and if I don't speak, how many people can keep silent? Of course, now you know that this thing. But they keep silent and ultimately that person gets up and does namaskaram and goes away. Because he understood Tattvamasi, that word. The highest experience they talk about. So, Tvam Sakshadatmasi Nityam. Now come two great statements. Ritam Vachmi, Satyam Vachmi. Ritam Vachmi, Satyam Vachmi. Both look almost same. Ritam has come, from Ritam only the dharmas have come. All the statements which are close to our worldly matters, which are fact, like Puttinavadu Maraninchaka Tappadu, the one who is born is sure to die, which is Rutam. What is Satyam? Atmaku Nashinamu ledu. The soul doesn't perish. That is Satyam. So, but this Rutam gives me some rules of life. So, Rujumargam has come from Rutam only. Ritam Vashmi, I always speak the dharmas and follow the dharmas. But I never forget Satyam Vachmi. Satyam. That is where the greatest rule came. Satyam Bruyat, Asatyam na Bruyat, Apriyam na Bruyat. So I need to have the technique of sticking on to the Satyam, but at the same time, the last word in the name of Rutam or Satyam, one important aspect is I should not hurt you. I always give this example. Suppose he says, Shiv Kumar says, Guruji, how is my shirt? Honestly, I don't like blue color. I'm allergic to blue. I'm just joking. That honest statement is horrible color shirt. Or I don't like the color. Satyam Vachmi. Satyam Bruyat. Asatyam na Bruyat. But Apriyam, that is defeated. So Shiv Kumar gets hurt. Then what should I say? Wow, what a great color. I love it. You are cheating yourself. You don't like that color. Then how I can manage? Shiv Kumar, what is there in the color? I like your face. I like your character. I like your Seva Gunam. I'm not touching that color. I'm not saying it is. So I'm just keeping him happy. This is the rule of Rutam. Even though the Satyam is constant, Rutam, it gives me dharmic principle. Now you know the difference of, suppose somebody dies. You have to console him. Oh, anybody, anywhere, you have to die. Don't cry. Why you are crying? That is Satyam. But can I say tell the meaning of Bhagavad Gita to a crying person? I have to console. That is Rutam. Manushya Dharmam. This slight fine line is there. Rutam Vachmi, Satyam Vachmi. Now you understand? So, I should follow Rutam, but I should not forget Satyam. Satyam is the one which gave me Rutam to follow. But I should not forget the source from where the Rutam has come. That is why they say you have a bird in your Bhagavad Gita. Essence says you have a bird inside you. It has two wings. One is Rutam, one is Agni. Rutam is Dharmam. Agni is Jnanam. Jnanam, Dharmam. You feed that bird with few seeds, bija, that is japam, mantra bija aksharas. And that bird will protect you. That is the essence of Rutam and Satyam. Next. Avatvammam, avabhaktaram, avasrotaram, avadataram, avadhataram, avanochanam avasishyam, avatvammam, avabhaktaram, avasrotaram, avadhataram, avadhataram, avanochanam avasishyam. Avatvammam, avabhaktaram, avasrotaram, avadhataram, avadhataram, avanochanam avasishyam. Avatvammam, protect me. You protect me. There's a beauty of it. All the way you are saying Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma, whatever I see. Then who is asking whom? You protect me. Again, it comes into duality. Because through duality only you can experience non-duality at one stage. Puja also, daily puja. Dhyanam is to make you equal with Goddess Mother. And Lalita Sahasranam, Dhyana Dhyatade, Rupa Mana Matrame, Rupa Jnana Dhyatade, all this. Say. Then the puja, Padayo, Padyam Sarpayami, Hastayor, who is giving water to whom? The best puja, that's why is Swatmanandala Vibhuta Brahmadhyananda Sandati. Do the puja in the puja room. It has to be there for discipline. But when you are taking bath also, don't forget Hastayor Arghyam Samarpayami, Mukhe Achamariyam Samarpayami, Snanam Snapayami. That is the Swatmanandam. I am worshipping my own self. Is it the body? No. Tam sakshadatmasi nityam. You are the one who is making me put the water on you. Can I repeat the sentence? You are the one who is making the water fall on me. There that me comes. That is a witness on you. That is the inside. So that feeling I have, then I am asking, let all the combined source of different aspects of the Atma in different angas, Prana Shakti for instance, let protect me. Or the thought power, a brain dead, the functions are there, but no use, vegetable. So there is something which is the root for all this to happen. So that root may protect me because I need to experience the universe created by you. I need to experience the happiness and joy and bliss in this duality, worshipping you, seeing me in you and worshipping you. I'm enjoying this illusion. Let it continue for a while. As long as I don't miss my route, I'm fine. That's why you should never ask, don't give me more janma. No. Give me 100 janmas, 1,000 janmas. But one thing, in every janma, make me a bhakta. And keep in me the bhakti, devotion and confidence which I have now. To be continued. Srimatre Rama.